All right, entertainment. We all like to have fun, but if your budget's tight, that makes it difficult. Or if you have kids, they want to do things, that could be difficult too. But not with Save Club. Let's get into some savings here. Movies. We've had a lot of blockbuster movies out this year. A lot of people are going. We have a special deal with AMC and the other theaters. For example, the first slide shows if you didn't use our codes and our discounts, you would have paid $50.98 for a couple tickets, but instead $15. A savings of over $35.99 just going to the movies. That's going to go to your popcorn because that's what it costs for that. But still, you get to pay for it with your savings. All right, how about Chuck E. Cheese? Fun place to go. How would you like to get 49% off a day? Or go to Dave & Buster's, another great place to go. You buy a $100 gift card, you only pay $70. That's $30 back in your pocket. You're already $10 ahead of the membership with that single offer, let alone all these. Top Golf, fun place to go. Get $15 off your play. Or Real Golf. In different cities across the country, they do things like this. Free green freeze with the purchase of the same. So you and a friend could go and one of yours is free. Entertainment savings like bowling, get a free game with the purchase of a game. Another great deal, great for date nights. Medieval Times dinner and tournament. All kinds of deals through the online portal. Also at every major theme park, there is deals on tickets. Here, how about paint nights? These are all over the country where you get to go and drink and paint and have a good time. Ladies tend to love it, up to 30% off. Escape rooms. The escape games are everywhere, all over the place. Here's one that gives 20% off. How about the opera? 20% off advanced ticket price or 50% off tickets at the door. Good deal there. Again, bowling, buy one, get one free. And tickets. If you're going to do any concerts or do any sporting events, we've seen people save a ton of money going through this source using our coupon. And things like comedy clubs, free general admission with the purchase of the same. Again, go on a date night and one of you is free. And we could go on and on and on. There are so many savings like this inside Save Club. You literally, just one of these deals is worth more than what you pay for a whole month of discounts. So get started today.